Talofa families and friends, and welcome back to another video. We would like to say thank you so much for the love and support. We greatly appreciate you all. Thank you so much for taking your time from your busy day, your busy schedule to view and comment it on our videos. Your love and support is much appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And in this video, we have a few birthday shout outs. Our first birthday shout out was requested by Sam Moyai of Alaska. He requested 2 birthday shout outs. A birthday shout out for his grandson, Anthony Josefa Moyai. He celebrated his 3rd birthday on the 3rd of August. And the second birthday shout out is for his beautiful wife, Leungavau Moyai. She will be celebrating her 50th birthday on the 20th of September. Happy birthdays to you both, and may our Heavenly Father bless you both with many more years to come. And happy birthdays and blessings from Cooking with Rona. Our second birthday shout out was requested by Chufo Tanu of American Samoa. A birthday shout out for their dear mom, Emily Scanlon Multalo of Nuuli, American Samoa. She will be celebrating her 80th birthday on the 17th of September. Love from your son, Sanele, and wife, Utita, your grandbabies, Mena, Judith, George, John, and Joseph. Love and blessings from your great-grandsons, Lito, George, and Andrew. We love you so much, Nana. Wishing you good health and many more days on earth with us. May our Heavenly Father continue to bless you with many more years to come and also good health. And may your birthday be filled with love, joy, and happiness. Love and blessings from Cooking with Rona. And I would like to take this time to wish happy birthdays to all of you guys who are celebrating your birthdays this month of September. May our good Lord bless you with many more years to come. And happy birthdays. And also a shout out to all of our viewers, our subscribers out there. We love you guys. We appreciate all the love and support, the wonderful comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you like this video.
Surely you will.
Good morning, families and friends. We hope you guys are well. Thank you so much for the love and support. Right now, Chef and I are here at the storage unit, and we are about to
change the water pump.
Yeah.
The motor is running good, and after that 4 minutes running, he have the like a siren, or what's the name of the
overheating alarm.
Yeah, like overheating alarm, like siren, like that. Alarm warning. Yeah. So right now, me and my wife try to fix it up, the water pump. I hope it'll work.
Water pump impeller.
Yeah, water pump impeller.
And thermostat.
What?
Thermostat.
Yeah, thermostat. Thermostat is
it's right up on
up
under
here,
the cover.
Inside, yeah, under the cover and the thermostat. I'll show you later. But right now, so I want to open this one, the lower unit. Down here, you have the shelf over here.
Shaft.
I think it's very easy.
Yeah,
but
very easy.
For people,
very easy for me, but very hard for Chef.
My wife used to say very easy, you know, like
yeah.
That's
it's
so never nga mafu nga
small
nga
parts.
pinga dai pi kau câu lục cái lẽ vậy ông này phải mấy phải ăn tiếng ngao là anh very easy. I think some people calling me, but right now.
Oh. Mile. Hi, Mile.
Yeah, I'm in store.
How are you? Fair ơi.
It's called.
About 40 minutes, Jim.
So le qua a tekta o le chim me ngai ya. How are you? Okay.
À, ok rồi.
Rồi.
Mang ngồi rồi con. À.
Ya kalau ngomong ya tadi. Ma wala ile trailer le kau kalepe tal moro. Ile lavan malepe el moro le.
Come on, son. The water pump impeller is broken. See, so it's the new impeller. It's nice. So. There you go.
Good morning, families and friends. Good morning, families and friends. We're at the gas station. I said gas station.
Yeah. Buy some fuel for the boat. Feel great. Feel happy. Yeah.
Here, Mom.
Shank soup.
Alright. big fairy. The fishy.
Oh, let it go, let it go.
There you go.
Right here. I'll let it go with the fishing net. I'll let it go. Look at that.
Con mo ya ile area. Ulo na leo. Reading the instruction.
Dad, you're gonna have a fire hazard.
Yeah.
That's the green box.
Yeah.
Is you.
Tama, Awo. Don't play with that, Tama.
Hopefully you relax kung buhay mariki.
I'm just getting it ready.
Oh yeah. Sounds good. Wow.
The jellyfish?
Yeah,
no.
jellyfish.
Yeah, that's a jellyfish.
Is it dead?
I think it's dead. Well, let's cut him in the
Sao yang ngarkakan mangung your fresh sushi.
Smells good, Tama.
Yeah, it does really smell good.
Bye bye jellyfish.
Bye, Daddy.
We put our anchor down, and right now we are cooking some sausages because we're very hungry. Right, Tama?
Yeah, but we forgot the buns.
Huh?
We forgot the buns.
We have bread. It's okay, we have bread, Tama.
I'm just getting this ready. That's okay.
You follow?
Sao có jellyfish? Có đi ngồi đây mua cuột jellyfish.
No.
I think so.
What, do you want me to open it? We have
Udah dia lah salah itu cukup ya.
Okay. Right? Right, Thomas?
You have the salt and the pepper.
I'll start right.
Mày đang salt.
Try this sausage. It's very good. I'm eating the sushi.
Udah nganu dia dia.
It's rice, eggs,
Dia
and
semi
spam
kita kok.
wrapped around with seaweed and then wrapped around with tin foil.
Ini apa? Ini
Something? Make it black.
share.